In the previous video, you saw an example of how to create a tenant, a domain for that tenant, and then a user for that domain in a Progress OpenEdge multi-tenant database. In this video, we will load data definitions and table contents into an OpenEdge multi-tenant database. We will perform 4 tasks. 1. Load data definitions. 2. Enable tables for multi-tenancy. 3. Allocate table partitions to storage areas. And 4. Load table contents. First, we connect to multi-tenant. From the Database Administration console, we click the multi-tenant database connection. Now we load data definitions into the multi-tenant database. From the Data Administration section, we click Load Data Definitions, also known as .df files. In the Data Definitions or .df file field, we click Browse to navigate to the location of the multi-tenant.df file, and double-click the file to select it. Then we use the search icon to select multi-tenant as the database connection. Next, we click Commit. The Confirm Commit Database Definitions dialog box appears. We skip the options and click Commit again. Now, we enable multi-tenancy for tables of the multi-tenant database. We click Data Administration, Enable Multi-tenancy for tables. We use the search icon to select multi-tenant as the database connection. As a result, all the tables in the database are displayed. We select Customer, Item, Order, and Order Line, and then click Preview. Then we click Commit. The Confirm Commit Enabling Multi-tenancy dialog box appears. We skip the options and click Commit to enable multi-tenancy for the selected tables. Recall that in the previous video, we chose to delay space allocation for our table partitions. Before we can load table contents, we have to allocate the partitions to storage areas. We navigate to the multi-tenant database connection details page and click View Tenants. From the list of available tenants, we click Tenant 1. Next, we click Edit Tenant. The General, Partitions, Groups, Users, and Domains tabs appear. We click Partitions to access the Partitions page. Then we click Tools and select Allocate Partitions. This allocates all the table partitions to storage areas. Now we are ready to load table contents into the multi-tenant database. Before we do so, we have to log in as a super tenant user. We navigate back to the multi-tenant database connection details page and click Edit. We enter the super tenant user ID and password. Next, in the Data Administration section, we click Load Table Contents. In the Load Root Directory field, we specify the root directory from which the table contents will be loaded. We clear the Include LOB checkbox because we do not have any LOB data. We select the Skip Secured Tables checkbox because we do not have secured tables. We select the Do Not Load Group Tables checkbox. We select the Skip Missing Directories checkbox because we do not want to validate the missing subdirectories under the root directory. In the Tables field, we ensure that All is selected. In the Tenants field, we ensure that All is selected. Then we click Load. The Confirm Task for Table Data Load dialog box appears. Finally, we click Commit to perform the load. This successfully loads the contents of both the multi-tenant and shared tables into the multi-tenant database. To learn more about administering an OpenEdge multi-tenant database, take the Progress OpenEdge Multi-Tenant Database Administration course. To learn more about multi-tenant database application development, take the Building a Progress OpenEdge Multi-Tenant Application course. Thanks for watching.